Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Google Chrome latest stable version on Rocky Linux. The default browser that comes with Rocky Linux is Firefox. Okay, so open the default browser, then go to Google, then search for download Chrome, then click on the fast and secure web browser, then click on download Chrome. Then for Rocky Linux or Arma Linux or Red Hat, we have to select this 64-bit RPM. So click on accept and install. See, once we selected, see download started, and see here its size is 112 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Then after download we will perform the install. Okay. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory, CD downloads, ls. See here we have the Google Chrome stable current RPM package. So install it. Sudo rpm -ivh, then Google, give the tab to autofill entire RPM package name and hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. See, we got this error, so we have to give -- no deps here and hit enter. No deps means no dependencies. See, we are installing Google Chrome stable version 134. Ignore these errors, but we have installed the Google Chrome. Click on show applications. See, here we have the Google Chrome. Let us open it. Click on it. See, if you want to make Google Chrome as the default browser, you have to select the checkbox, and if you want to send automatically usage statistics and past reports to Google, you have to select the checkbox. I don't want either of them. It is up to you. Then click on OK. If you want to sign in, click on sign in. I don't want, click on don't sign in. Got it. See, we got the Google Chrome web browser. Okay, so we have successfully installed ls. This file is not required anymore. Rm, give Google, give the tab to autofill entire file name, hit enter. ls, we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install Google Chrome latest stable version on Rocky Linux. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel.